Doi tugut kasigilong Kelskek and Imang There's been 2 cancellations. Kelskek and Imang dancers are not here with us tonight. So after very good dancers, we'll have St. Lawrence Island dancers.
Thanks a lot for having us come here at Village of St. Mary's for hosting many of our guests here from all over. And on behalf of Miracle Drummers and Dancers, we'd like to thank Mark John and Jalista Ellers for allowing this big gathering to happen. It is really, really important that we have more gatherings like this. As I remember when I first started drumming, it wasn't like that. Again, I want to thank you guys from the very bottom of our hearts. And I remember those that we wish were here today with us, keeping our prayers, and all those that need prayers as well. Our first song we'll share with you, our first line of songs we're going to share with you are songs from my dad, Kudrachuk. Our elders that had left these songs behind. We'll start off with my Uncle Jimmy Buffon's song, Ayo Nalo, followed by Uncle Dan Green's Holaloma, and maybe if we have time, maybe we'll get maybe my song.
Yung kanturin na maniwa ka na kayo kaya ako kasi ito na kankan nila. Kuya ako ikukot ka niya dahil kaspot sa marat kaya ka na kayo kaya ako kutso ka niya nuranin ka ayaw ka nila nagka Kekçöldün amaniye kırçamı vitazı katokçöldün doğaya yedi nakıvan zeyta yübbetinde yok yaranıka kuyakçıki mağıtaysıkta ilagatın tamani kuyan.
This first song we'd like to dedicate this song to all our former leaders from all this regional area, the ones that have come and left songs behind for many of us. And the leaders that are here today, our elders, from our hearts.